Can we revolutionize plastic recycling globally? Spoiler alert, Eco Panplas says absolutely. Ready to join the game-changing journey? Ever wondered why plastic recycling hits a roadblock? Eco Panplas has just cracked the code, and it's just mind-blowing. What if we told you there's a way to recycle plastics without water? Dive into the future with us, hit subscribe, and let's challenge the norm together. Picture this. Over 90% of used plastic packaging is diligently collected, but shockingly, just over 1% of it is actually recycled. Why? Well, the culprit here is contamination. The conventional method of decontaminating plastic waste involves water, which isn't only expensive but also environmentally damaging. And guess what? We're producing a staggering 10 million tons of plastic packaging waste annually, equivalent to 23,000 Boeing 747 planes landing in our oceans. That's more than 60 per day. The WWF study drops these mind-blowing numbers, emphasizing the urgency of the plastic pollution problem. Now, let's talk about Brazil. According to the World Bank, it's the fourth largest producer of plastic waste globally, trailing behind the United States, China, and India. The catch here is that while a whopping 91% of the plastic is collected, only a meager 1.28% is effectively recycled. That's a dismal statistic, even below the global plastic recycling average of 9%. So, where is all this collected plastic going? Brace yourself. 7.7 million tons ends up in landfills, and an additional 2.4 million tons are haphazardly discarded in open-air dumps. Before we delve into the recycling solution, let's understand the repercussions of plastic pollution. It's not just about eyesores. Plastic pollution infiltrates our air, soil, and water supply systems. Burning plastic releases toxic gases like halogens, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, causing severe health issues. Improper disposal contaminated aquifers, water bodies, and reservoirs, leading to respiratory problems, heart disease, and damage to the nervous system. The stakes are high, and we need a game-changing solution. So, you might be wondering, if 91% of plastics are collected, why is only 1.28% actually recycled? Well, the answer lies in the decontamination process. Traditionally, washing with water has been the go-to method, but it's not effective for highly contaminated plastics. Besides, it consumes thousands of liters of water, generates effluent, and results in various types of waste, posing a significant environmental risk. Just think of 35 billion plastic bottles discarded per annum globally, containing a staggering 1 billion liters of residual oil. In Brazil alone, 1 billion plastic packaging of lubricating oil with 2 million liters of residual oil are thrown away yearly. To put it into perspective, just 1 liter of oil can contaminate a whopping 1 million liters of water. Now, here comes the game changer. A revolutionary solution from Eco Panplas, developed in Brazil over 6 years. They've crafted a technological marvel that not only decontaminates plastic packaging, but also recycles it in an eco-friendly way, all without using water and without generating waste. How do they do it? Through an ingenious ecological degreaser that separates the packaging from the contaminant, preserving the characteristics of both. This recovered degreaser can be reused, and the contaminant is sold. It's a win-win for both the environment and the economy. This innovative process isn't just a concept, it's a reality. Eco Panplas boasts an automated production line with high capacity, comprised of patented equipment and processes. The result? All residual oil is recovered and recycled, eliminating environmental risks. But that's not all. The process yields top-notch recycled plastic raw material, allowing the manufacture of new packaging that's 100% recycled and up to 10% cheaper than existing prices. It's the epitome of a true circular economy in action. Let's talk numbers. At Eco Panplas, their production plant in Hortolândia City, São Paulo State, churns out 10 million pieces of lubricant oil packaging annually. The result? 500 tons of recycled plastic recovered and sold to make new oil packaging, 17,000 litres of recovered oil sold for recycling and producing new lubricating oil. Now, brace yourself for the impact. 17 billion litres of water preserved, 530 tons of contaminated plastic diverted from landfills, 800 tons fewer greenhouse gas emissions, and a staggering 75% energy savings. And these aren't just statistics, they represent a tangible shift toward a greener, more sustainable future. Eco Panplas isn't just a local hero, their work has garnered recognition globally, with 32 national and international awards, including nods from the IDB, FEMSA, the UN Global Compact, Energy Globe, and B Corp. They've proven that their technique can work in other countries. Winning international challenges and programs further validate the effectiveness of their solution on a global scale. Now, with a plan to expand offerings in Brazil through higher-tier production and a technology licensing system, Eco Panplas aims to take their groundbreaking solution worldwide. So, here we are, standing at the cusp of a transformative shift in the way we approach plastic recycling. It's clear that merely collecting plastic waste isn't enough. The key lies in efficient and eco-friendly recycling processes that don't add more pollution to the mix. Eco Panplas has set a precedent, showcasing that it is possible to increase recycling rates while generating impactful socio-environmental benefits. And there you have it, folks. So, now, you can imagine a future where recycling is a planetary rescue mission, not just numbers. If this blew your mind like it did ours, smash that like button and share it with your eco crew. Now, spill the tea. What's your take on this recycling game changer? Comment below and let's chat. Subscribe to Futuristic Tech and AI. Until next time, keep the green vibes alive.